Welcome to Orderline. I'm David. Today we're going to learn how Orderline order deadlines work, the ship by date on your orders list with color-coded urgency so your team can see what needs to ship first. Order deadlines are the latest date an order should ship. In Orderline, they show as the ship by column. You set dates two ways. Automatic Orderline calculates from the order date, your operational days, and the SLA for that order's shipping method or merchant managed, where you or Shopify Flow set the date yourself. Sorting and urgency work the same once a date is on the order. Right now, timelines are off, so there's no ship by column yet. Let's turn them on. Open Orderline settings, then Shipping. Under Order Timelines, toggle Order Timelines on. When this is on, ship by and urgency appear on orders. Under how ship by dates are set, choose automatic order date plus SLA and shipping method or merchant managed for manual, bulk, or flow. We'll start with automatic. Set operational days, which days you process orders. The calculator skips days that are off when it counts, SLA days. Use a preset like Saturday and Sunday off, or pick custom. The default deadline is required in automatic mode. It's the fallback for every order whose shipping method doesn't have its own rule. Click Edit, set order deadline days, cutoff time if you use one, and critical and warning urgency thresholds. Save. Under Deadline by Shipping Methods, add overrides for rates that need a different promise. Click Add Order Deadlines, pick a shipping method from Shopify, set days, cutoff, and urgency tiers. Critical and warning must use different day thresholds. Optionally turn on always critical for same-day style methods. Save. Here we add India Premium Fast Shipping at 2 days, then India Standard Shipping at 3 days. Orders on a configured method get that rule, everything else uses the default. Back on orders, the ship by column is there. Dates were calculated from your SLA rules. Urgency badges flag what's due soon, overdue, and due today show as critical. Open sort and choose ship by. Ascending puts the most urgent first, descending the opposite. That option only exists while order timelines are on. If you turn order timelines off, the ship by column disappears from the table. Open sort again, ship by is gone from the menu too. Your mode and SLA settings are preserved for when you turn timelines back on. Turn order timelines back on, then choose Merchant Managed. SLA and shipping method deadline cards aren't used in this mode. You set dates on the orders table, in bulk, or via Flow metafield order line. Ship, by, type date, value, YYYYMMDD. On orders, click a ship by cell. In Edit Ship by Date, pick a new date on the calendar or clear then save. Single and bulk editing are only available in Merchant Managed mode. Select multiple orders. In the bulk bar, click Set Ship by Date. Choose one date for all selected orders, or clear then save. In Shopify Admin, open Flow and ask Sidekick to build the automation in plain language, for example. Create a flow when a new order is created that updates the ship by date metafield to 15 days after today. Sidekick drafts the workflow. Order created, then update order metafield. Preview and apply the draft. Then check the metafield order line needs namespace order line and key ship by not a custom namespace. Open the Update Order Metafield action. Choose orderline.ship by date from the metafield list that is orderline.ship by type date. For the value, enter a fixed YYYYMMDD or liquid like now plus 15 days, formatted as year, month, day. If the order is created on the 1st of July, ship by becomes the 16th. Save the flow. When a new order arrives, Flow runs automatically. Open Recent runs status completed, and both order created and update order metafield succeeded. Step data shows namespace, order line, key ship, by, and the calculated date. With Merchant Managed mode on, Orderline reads that metafield and shows it on ship, by ready to sort and prioritize with the rest of your board. With your manual dates in place, sort by ship by still works the same way. Prioritize by urgency, not by when the order was placed. That's order deadlines in Orderline Automatic from your shipping promises, or merchant managed when you own the date. Install Orderline from the Shopify App Store to try it on your store. If this helped, like or subscribe. I'm David from Orderline. Thanks for watching.